Welcome to McKinley STEM Academy, where third graders explore aerospace engineering through Project Lead the Way Launch. This hands-on, project-based learning program brings science, technology, engineering, and math to life, helping students excel through creativity, exploration, and problem solving. In flight and space, students design, build, and test gliders, learning how lift, drag, thrust, and weight work together, just like real engineers. Peer-to-peer interaction is key. Students share ideas, collaborate, and celebrate successes, building teamwork and communication skills. Project Lead the Way is a cross-platform learning experience, preparing students for Harding Middle School and Steubenville High School's Project Lead the Way Aerospace Engineering and Aviation program, connected to Ohio Career and Technical Education Aviation Training Curriculum, creating pathways for advanced learning and careers. With 2 teachers co-teaching, students receive guidance, hands-on opportunities, and support to innovate, collaborate, and problem solve. At McKinley STEM Academy, curiosity drives everything we do, and students have fun while learning. If you dream of being a pilot, astronaut, or engineer, this is your launch pad. Here at McKinley STEM Academy, curiosity really does take flight.